Hi there, this is Yvonne DeSevas from YDC TV. I'm here for a slightly different reason than usual today. I want to teach you an energy exercise for trauma and overwhelm. It's what Donna Eden refers to it as in her YouTube video. I'm kind of depressed today because I just found out yesterday, I think it was yesterday, that I found out that my mom's cat may actually have liver cancer. And the word cancer is something that really gets to me in my family. It gets everyone in my family. It got my stepfather about 10 years ago. My father did not die of this. He just died of old age about 2 months ago. But still, it's kind of fresh. And the whole thing with her cat is really getting to me. So I'm going to try this trauma and overwhelm exercise just to show you how much of a benefit it can have. First thing you do is you take your hands and you just cup your face in your hands. As Donna said, people do this when they're feeling, oh, woe is me, basically. So this is a good starting position. And then you continue the breathing. It can be in through the nose, out through the mouth, or frankly, it can be any way that feels comfortable. And when you exhale, or when I exhale anyway, when you exhale, you want to bring your fingers up. So you start to bring your middle fingers together and you press in pretty hard into the top of the nose, and then you just go up until you reach your hairline. The hairline is on liver meridian, which is calming. And then you move your fingers so that they're at the center of your forehead. This is kind of like a crown pull. You push in and you pull apart and you bring your hands down to your temples. This is also a good spot to hold if you have a headache. And this is a spot that can also sedate your body's fight, flight, or freeze response. You can stop this move here, or if you want, you can continue down and just put your hands over your heart chakra. Hold your hands on your heart chakra. It's a comforting sensation. And I also add a move to this, and I don't know where I learned this one. I'm very sorry, but this was another energy medicine move that I learned. You don't have to end this here. You can bring your hands down and do a self-hug. You do the self-hug, you hold your elbows, and you just kind of rock side to side. And I always finish this one off by just bringing my hands back up to my heart chakra. And I do feel better. And I know I'm going to have to come back to this move because I know that the sadness is going to come back. But when it does, at least I have this. And I hope that this helps you too. If you ever have a moment where you just feel like it's the end of the world, that's a good move. This is a very good move. So once again, this is an energy medicine exercise for trauma and overwhelm. Thank you so much for your time. Namaste. And I will see you again soon. Peace and light, and be well.